We have a question from our viewer, from M. Spooner. I hope I did it right. I mentioned your name correctly. He said, yeah, but more importantly, how do I make them stop? I got like 4 pups of 2 plants in 2 years, and if I keep going at this time, I'm going to have more plants than I bargained for. So the problem is they don't want to get more pups. So my suggestion to you is to keep it in small container, small pot like this one. This is the age of this pot is around 3 years old, but it's still almost the same. It didn't grow much, but that when the time you transfer this to a bigger pot, then it will produce more pups. So in order to control the growth and the propagation, the offsprings of your plants, keeping them in small pot is the key. I have another here. This is around 2 years old but still very small. And the other ones where I keep in a bigger pot, look at them, they are bigger. Look, see? But this is exactly the same plant, the same type of plant, but planted in a very tiny pot, didn't grow much. Here's another example. See, it's still small, but here I planted it in a bigger pot. It's bigger, it's fuller. So the key here is the small pot.